The power had to be personally transferred to the new countries by the Viceroy, who was the British King's sole representative in India. Lord Mountbatten could not be present in person in Karachi and New Delhi at the same moment. Nor could he transfer power to India on the morning of 15th August and then rush to Karachi, because by that time, he would have become the Governor-General of the new Indian Dominion. So the only practicable thing was for him to transfer power to Pakistan on 14th August when he was still the Viceroy of India. But that does not mean that Pakistan gained its independence on 14th August. The Indian Independence Act did not provide for it. As from the 15th day of August, 1947, 2 independent dominions shall be set up in India, to be known respectively as India and Pakistan. 15th August 1947 was the last Friday of Ramadan, one of the holiest days in Islam. On that auspicious day, Quaid-i-Azam became the Governor-General of Pakistan and the cabinet was sworn in, the Star and Crescent flag was hoisted, and Pakistan emerged on the world map. After Pakistan came into being as an independent Muslim state on the 14th of August 1947, the announcement was made on the same night after 12 a.m. from Lahore, Karachi and Peshawar radio stations. Amidst those historic and providential moments, following the recitation of Holy Quran, Jinnah's message of greetings to the nation went on air. The message had already been recorded in late July, soon after it became clear that Pakistan would be created. 3 records of this most important speech had been sent to Lahore, Karachi and Peshawar radio stations through some reliable persons. It is the first post-independence radio speech by Jinnah. Mr. Ansar Nasri, the former Deputy Director of Radio Pakistan, translated the speech into Urdu before it could be transmitted in the vernacular for the listeners of Radio Pakistan Peshawar. He also transcribed the speech and published it for the first time. Quaid-i-Azam spoke to the nation immediately after Pakistan came into being on the 14th of August 1947.
It is with feeling of greatest happiness and emotion that I send you my greeting. August the 15th is the birthday of the independent and sovereign state of Pakistan.